Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can convert a Canva website into a WordPress website, okay? As you can see here, we are inside of Canva. This is the free version, which is going to work just fine. And now you want to go to your search bar and look for websites, okay? In this case, I'm just going to grab a template that is already created, okay? But you can create it from scratch as well. Now, let's select actually anything here. Let's select, for example, this one. And now let's go to customize this template. And now you want to personalize this to your liking, okay, to your preferences or to your business. You can change the text, you can change the color, the images, you can do a lot of stuff really in here. Once you're ready, you want to go to share and you want to go to see all options in here. Let's click. And now in this search bar, you want to type embed. Let's click. Let's click in embed. And now you want to copy this HTML code, which you're going to be able to actually put into your WordPress page. Now let's go back to WordPress, and this is our dashboard. Okay, now you want to go to edit site in here, and now you basically want to click on this page, you know, whatever you want to put your code in. Okay, so I'm just going to click here in this case because this is where I want to put my code. And now you want to click on this plus button, and in search you want to look for HTML. Let's click on here and let's copy this code. And as you can see here, if I press on preview, this is what's going to look like. Okay, so my HTML code has been pasted correctly. That's it. Thank you so much.